Hi, this is Fernando from Calpo Geospatial, and I'm going to show you today a couple of new functions in the Buildings plugin for Trimble Business Center. So it's the work with rooms and room classifications. For example, if we go to settings, we see now that we have the possibility to choose a norm from here, for example, the DIN norm 277, which is very much used in German-speaking countries where you find the different room classification. So then we have also additional options here to show the room classification and the floor material. So I just click on store, and then I would go to layers, and now I would choose, instead of choosing each layer from here, I can choose auto layers, and this means it will take the 00 underscore whatever for each object type, so walls, windows, columns, etc. I don't need to choose each individual layer from here if I work with the standard layers created by this plugin. So we go to wall, and we see here the options, the classification depending on the file that we chose under settings. So it's the utilizable areas, so the technical areas and the circulation areas. So it's divided by this. So, and then also the floor material, which is everything is customizable. So for example, if we start here with this rotated building and we start with the corridor, we can choose here corridor as room, and also classification is the circulation areas 9.1, and also if we want to add a floor material, and I can predefine the colors. So once I start drawing, and I close my room, I see already the color, also the room stamp where we see the room classification, the floor material if we want to show this information or not, and also from now these rooms are associative. So if we choose the polygon and we want to adjust it a little bit, I'm doing it much bigger, so you see that this information is updating. So I move it to here and this information is updating. So I go back and then continue. So I would go again to wall, and we are on the wall. So I do the next one. And close. So I have the second one. And now, for example, we would add this toilet. So we change here to toilet. We choose from here the 7.1 sanitary rooms. In our case, these are tiles, and then we draw the room. And close. So we have different colors, and also for whatever, for store, and then we use here storage rooms, and choose a color if we haven't chosen anyone yet. So we would go here and say this is my storeroom. Close. So I have all the definitions by colors, areas, etc. So I can see it also in a plan view. I can have different windows here. So I can see here different views. So the view where I'm working with the point cloud, I can see the final result without the point cloud in colors, or I can see the final result in my layout, what I'm going to print out. So I could see it a bit bigger, so I can check whatever I want to see here. This will be my A3, my floor plan in scale 1 to 100, and the colors and everything in black or whatever I have chosen. So after a few clicks, you would have such representation with all the rooms, etc. And we could also export it to Excel, the whole rooms, because we have a new tree view. If we open this, we see here that we have all the rooms of each floor with the different information about the area, the perimeter, etc. And we could choose whatever we want to export and then export to Excel. So we have the result with the table that we could later on insert into our drawing.